The craziest part about it is if I do all of this just to step outside tomorrow and my hair like poofs up. It's summertime, it's hot outside, and I'm about to get myself a silk press. I'm such an impulsive shopper because I was watching a TikTok of this girl blow drying her hair with this blow dryer from Babyliss, and then I saw her use the matching flat iron and I was like, I need that. And then I bought it the next day. If my silk press lasts me 48 hours, then that's just what I get. It's a professional nano titanium flat iron. It's supposed to be really, really good, so we're gonna see. So earlier I washed my hair using the Pattern Beauty clarifying shampoo, and I'm trying out a lot of Chi products for the first time. So this is their infra treatment, the Chi straight guard, as well as Chi silk infusion, as well as another heat protectant. I really need to protect myself from heat damage at all costs. So here I am doing the tension method with my blow dryer, simply because every time I get one of those comb attachments, the spokes are always breaking off and it's always like sliding off while I'm doing this. So I had no choice. First of all, it's the length for me. This is the longest my hair has ever been. It's like 4 or 5 inches away from my goal in life, which is waist length hair. It doesn't matter what the hairstyle is, as soon as I get to the halfway point, I'm just so over it and so ready to just give up. Finally, 5 million hours later, it's so smoky in here. I'm done, and now I'm about to do the fun part. The highest it goes is to 50, so I put it on 20, but now I'm about to put it on 30 because clearly that wasn't hot enough, because I really just want to do one pass on each section. I'm not trying to do the most. I think it's not giving because like it's a brand new flat iron. You know how sometimes you have to keep using the flat iron over and over until like the rims start looking burnt, and then that's when it start hitting different, you know what I mean? So I don't know, I feel like that's what's going on here. It's not hitting the way I thought it would hit. That'll do. See that? It's already starting to look better. I forgot how long of a process this was, honestly. I feel like I've been doing my hair all day. And I usually do split my days up, like wash and blow dry one day, flat iron the next day. But I guess because I was filming, like I was just like, oh, I'll do it all, and child, it was just too much work. It was too much. Honestly, I don't know if it's because my ends need to trim, but I was expecting it to be, I don't know, I guess more silky than this. I don't know, maybe I'm being too picky. Let me just finish the hair and then we'll see how it looks in the end. Also want to mention that I did not deep condition my hair, and that's a mistake that I'll never make again. Like, deep conditioning your hair before flat ironing is so important so that you can really lock in the moisture, and I feel like that will also give it more shine. Nervous about the front of my hair because the front of my hair is already a lot looser than the rest. This was an impulse purchase. I bought this size flat iron, like in terms of the width, because I saw the other girl had it and I was like, ooh, it's wider, so that means it can do bigger sections, which obviously has to mean that it's better. What I'm noticing is that because it's so wide, it doesn't get right to the root. Like, okay, it straightens the root, but it kind of leaves like a line of demarcation. Can you see it? Like right here. Looking back at it, they have a different flat iron that probably is better. I'll insert a picture so you guys can see what I mean. And then that one, it looks like it can get to the root better. And then also the way they designed it is like you can also do curls with this. I'm sure you could do curls with this, but like because it's so dang wide, like the curls ain't gonna hit the way the curls is supposed to hit. You know what I'm saying? I'm not as impressed as I thought I would be, basically. That's what I get to for being an impulse shopper. But I will say I got it from Walmart.com, and I will say that the reviews, like everybody was raving about it. Everybody was like, oh my gosh, like this is the best flat iron that I've ever had in my life, and it lasted me 5 years. You know what I mean? So I did a little bit of research. I think I just overhyped it in my mind, so now it's not meeting those expectations. And it leaves like a little line. I don't know if you can see it on camera. You see that line right there? Because it's so wide and big. So this is the final result. Yeah, so once I trim my ends, like I'm gonna like put some curls on the end of my hair and stuff like that, and that's obviously gonna make it look a lot better. You can absolutely tell the difference. This side, I started doing it at what? I started doing this side at 30, and then I increased this side to 35, and you can tell the difference. Like this side's way more straight. My edges will not be laid in today's video. And let me tell you guys what the temperature is. Okay, so for the rest of the week, basically we're gonna be in the 80s, and the humidity is at, oh my goodness. Earlier today, the humidity was like 50, 52 or something like that. The humidity is 82 right now. Yeah, so I just gave myself heat damage for no reason, but I hope it was worth it. Like, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try it again with some different products and some different techniques, and hopefully it'll look better then. So yeah, don't be like me. Wait until silk press season, but thanks for watching.